Hi everyone, so I am back with another video and I am super excited to do this one. I have recently received a box from a company called Tru Wax, and this is wax melts, like home fragrance, and anyone who watches my channel knows that I am a sucker for wax melts, candles, home fragrance, anything to keep my home smelling nice. I'm all about, and I'm literally addicted to wax. So I have literally just received this box through the post right now, literally like half an hour ago, and I'm so excited about it. I just had to dive on and film a video for it straight away. So this is the box here in front of us. It did come and it was absolutely wrapped beautifully, but I've kind of opened it up for the purpose of this video. So basically, like, this is kind of what it was wrapped in. You have like the brand sticker on. It was wrapped in lots of tissue paper, with all this kind of, what do you call this again? Paper shreds, something like that. But the presentation of the box was absolutely beautiful, and that is what caught my attention first when I opened it. I was thinking how stunningly it is packed, how much kind of care and attention has actually gone into the package. So anyway, enough rambling. I'm going to dive in and I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So this box that I got is the large box. So I will put all of the information below, because you can get kind of like different boxes and things like that, and I will obviously link the website below as well, so you can go and like have a look and check it out yourself. So I just want to kind of pull these out. So obviously it came with the business card, and this is the details on there. So that's the website, the Facebook, the Instagram, and their email, and the lovely lady who does it is called Kama Lindsay. I don't know if I am pronouncing that right or not. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But that is the business card it came with. Oops, I'm dropping things. Then it also comes with product care instructions, which I think is so important in these kind of wax boxes, because not everybody knows how to use them, and like kind of like instructions for them. So the wax shots, obviously it tells you what to do with those, and then the wax clamshells, and then the wax scoopables as well. So yeah, and then obviously it tells you on the back when it's time to change your wax and things. So it's really, really good. It comes with like full instructions and everything. And then also I got a few little goodies in the package as well. So it came with these. So it's a little pack of jellies, a lemon and ginger Twinings tea, and a Beanie's Coconut Delight flavoured coffee. So they were all wrapped separately, so they haven't been kind of just thrown in the box with all the smellies as well, because then kind of they would smell as well. So I thought that was a really, really nice little extra touch, just to give your client a little something extra. And like I say, they were wrapped separately, so that's really, really nice. When I opened those and seen those, I was like, oh, how cute, like how thoughtful and things is that. So that was them, and then this is like the whole content of the box, and this box is like, oh, I'm trying not to kind of show my address. I might have to block that out. So yeah, like I'll show you from the side. This is quite a deep box, so there is plenty of stuff in these. So these big pots are called the scoopables. So you kind of just scoop some wax out with a spoon and then pop it into your warmer. So this one is called Wild Imagination, and these are all natural handmade soy wax scoopables. She even has the pour date on them, so you can see when they have been poured. And I love how everything comes in little bags as well. Oh my god, how cute. I didn't even notice this. It actually comes with a little scoopable spoon. Oh my god, that is so, so cute. So this is what the product looks like, and like I say, it is quite a size. If you look at that in the palm of my hand, quite big. So let me have a smell of this one. This is called Wild Imagination. Oh my god, it smells absolutely amazing. You probably will be able to find scent descriptions on her website. So I'm just going to kind of go through and tell you which scents I got. I got the scent Angelic. Again, this is another scoopable. Give me a quick smell of this one. I'm not going to be able to smell every single one in this video, so I'll just smell certain ones. Ah, that really, really reminds me of something, but I can't quite put my finger on it. So nice. Like, on cold sniff, the smell of these is really, really strong. Obviously, I haven't burned any yet because I have just get in the package. But look out for my empties videos and things, because if I do use these, they'll obviously be going into empties, and then I'll give you my opinion on them. This green one is called Flower Explosion. Again, so nice. I love those little spoons in them packs. And then these little ones are... These are the wax shots. So we have a scent in Sweet Pea, and it's got some gorgeous kind of like little glitter on there, which kind of jazzes it up a little bit. Oh, then this one says it's a free gift for me. And this one is in the scent Orange Blossom, so that is super cute. Then we have Apple. Then we have Blackberry. Then we have Fresh Strawberry, so lots of like nice fruity scents, which I can't wait to try. Then we have one called Barbershop. Oh, I think I might have to smell this one. I've never heard of a wax smell called Barbershop before. So it smells very masculine, kind of like a man's cologne or aftershave or something. Not my favourite scent, if I'm honest, but everyone has their own kind of scent things, don't they? But I will definitely be trying that out. The other couple of things that I want to talk about in this box, which I'm like so happy with, is it comes with unscented tea lights, and it also comes with some cotton pads, so you can kind of clean your spoons off and clean out your wax warmers. So I thought that was such a cute little touch as well. Like, just really, really simple things that you would not necessarily think to put in a wax box, but are kind of like essentials, if that makes sense. So I thought that was such a good touch. I feel like she's covered everything in this box, like everything that you could need. Obviously the tea lights are here because it also comes with a warmer as well, which I'll get to in a moment. So we have some more scent scoopables. This one is in the scent Unconquered, and this one is in the scent Heatwave. I have another one here which is in the scent Noir. Again, I probably think that that's going to be kind of a masculine scent. I can't wait to try all of these out though. I'm so excited. This one's right up my alley. It's in the scent Vanilla Ice Cream. How amazing. And then I'll show you guys this first, okay? So this is the warm. I'm trying not to... I'll just take this glass bit off the top. Obviously, this glass bit on the top is where you put your wax. And this is kind of like the base of it. It is super cute, like black and white, kind of like marble design. And then obviously your tea light goes in here, and then you would pop your wax in that on the top. And then it would just melt. So that is super, super cute. So I absolutely love that. And I've never seen a one like that before. It's quite unusual design, but really, really nice and unique. And then the last things that I have are these clamshells. So I have them in the scent Bite Me, and I do like these because obviously it's a clamshell, so I tend to just break one piece off at a time and pop it in a warmer. Absolutely love them. This is in the scent Bite Me. Let's have a little smell of this bad boy. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Then I also have one in Fudge Brownie. Again, I love kind of bakery scents and things. This one is probably my favourite. This is Rhubarb and Custard. And can we just talk about the colours as well? Bright red and bright yellow. It just looks amazing. And let me tell you guys, it smells, oh, insane. Insane. I absolutely love it. Then the last three that I've got is Orchid Noir. Lemon, again, I love a zesty kind of fruity scent as well, and then a cappuccino scent. So that is everything that I got in this large box. Like I say, it was a large box. You can get different size boxes, but honestly, like, I think this is so worth it. Everything that I've got in this box is going to last me forever, because like I say, these guys, you kind of break one piece off and pop them in your warmer. So if you think about that, you've got kind of like 6 burns out of each one of those. And then these scoopables, they are like really, really big in size. So you just scoop a little piece of that out and pop it in the warmer. So you're going to get tons of use out of those as well. But I literally cannot wait to start melting all of this wax. The box smells absolutely amazing, and I literally have everything I need to start burning straight away. It's just absolutely amazing. Like I say, it comes with the tea lights, it comes with the warmer, all your wax. You are literally, when you open this box, you are set to go. It is fantastic. This is probably, I know I have reviewed a wax box before, like probably like a couple of years ago on my channel, but out of the both of them, this is definitely like hands up for me. This is my favourite wax box ever. Just the way it was packaged, the quality, the customer service, just absolutely amazing. I can't rave about it enough. And like I say, the kind of sweet little things that it comes with, those are just kind of nice touches to your client, and it's kind of like a thank you, do you know what I mean, for like our custom and things. It's really nice when you get a little extra something in a box off like a company that you're spending your hard-earned cash on. But yeah, so that was everything in the box, guys. I will leave all of the links below, their website, all of their social media and things. I do also have a discount code for you guys. I don't make anything off the discount code at all. It's just kind of a benefit there for you guys, because I know I do have a few wax addicts on my channel as well. So if you pop in Scooby10 at the checkout on the Tru Wax website, you will get 10% off your order. So that's kind of like a nice little bonus for you guys that I managed to angle for you. But yeah, I hope you have all enjoyed this video. And like I say, do watch out for my empties videos, because obviously once I burn things and they get used up, I will give little reviews and things in my empties videos on them. But like I say, on cold sniff, this whole box smells amazing. The scents are really strong. Sometimes you can get wax melts and they're like really like pale scents, like you can't really smell them, they're not strong at all, but these you can smell them. They smell amazing. So yeah, that is it for this video. Like I say, everything will be down below. Comment in the comments below if you've ever tried anything from Tru Wax before, because I'd be curious to see what your opinions on the brand were. And yes, I will see you all in my next video, everyone. Bye.